everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I thought we could do this super fun, super fall feeling, at least to me it feels like fall, orange look. To do this look, I used the Colourpop Orange You Glad monochromatic palette. This palette is super pretty. All of the shadows I've used from Colourpop thus far have been super pigmented, and I really like how this look came out. This is a very wearable, everyday kind of fall smoky eye that's still super simple to create. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I definitely have the air conditioner cranked up in here so that I can wear this super cute leopard print cardigan, and I'm wearing it with this shirt that my mom got made for me. It just says I slapped Weezer. Still Magnolias is like one of my favorite movies ever. So she got me this shirt made and I love it so much. But I'm actually about to leave, so the cardigan is sadly gonna come off. I want to wear it forever, but later when it gets cooler it's coming back out. So if you enjoyed this video while you're watching, give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I will also have a few other videos on my channel linked down below, as well as all of the products I mentioned or used today. They will also be listed down below. And as always, my Instagram is linked down below. You should definitely go follow me on Instagram. I most of the time follow back, and you get to see fun sneak peeks of things happening in my life. We just closed my 100 subscriber giveaway last week, and now we have started my new giveaway. At 200 subscribers, I'll be doing another giveaway. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you are entered to win. And I think that is really it this time. So enjoy the video, guys. Thank you. Start off by priming our eyes with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, which is just white. I have been working on pre-filming this weekend, so you guys, I think, are seeing this on Friday the 6th, and I'm filming it on the 1st. But I just want y'all to know it's September 1st, which might as well be Halloween day 1 in my household, at least. Just letting it be known. I am so excited. We are, oh, it's so pretty. We are gonna be going in with, what do I wanna use? Creamsicle. Yes, I'm feeling it. Pretty. It's so pretty. Now I'm just gonna take Rise and Grind, and we're going to add this to our outer corner and into our crease a little bit to deepen it. Now we are going to take Zested, which is the lightest shade in the palette, super powdery, and I'm just going to buff that on my edges to be sure they are blended. Always want blendability. I'm gonna cut my crease really quickly with the same Colourpop concealer we primed with, and be right back. I'm really just gonna do like right here in the middle. I really want to take Clementine, of course, which is the chunky girl in here. Weird. I don't know. If you do decide to use Clementine out of this palette, just beware there is an asterisk on the back that says it is not, let me get my wording correct, not intended for use in the eye area. And the only reason they say that is because it is super chunky, and one of the chunks can get into your eyeball, girl. I have glitter all over my hand now, but it can get into your eyeball, and of course that will hurt. Yeah, I'm gonna take Squeeze Me for now. Just a really pretty shimmer. I'm still finding pieces of glitter from where I did my Lizzo look, so I'm trying to avoid the chunky glitter for like 5 seconds. You know it's not gonna last. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Batman eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go back in with Creamsicle and kind of buff these edges a little bit. I'm gonna follow through my crease and we're gonna deepen the inner corner as well to kind of create a more halo eye shape. I'm also going to go back in with Rise and Grind on the same brush to deepen it. Then I'm gonna go in with You Peel Me, which is the deepest shade, and I'm gonna take this very, very lightly. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And add it as the last little layer there on the inner and outer corners. And I am kind of following where my cut crease was to blend that edge. Let's see what happens when we wet Squeeze Me a little bit. I'm just using my Physicians Formula Insta-Ready setting spray. Yeah, we're keeping that. So wet brush and Squeeze Me makes it just, well, what any shadow would do if you wet it. It just makes it a little more pigmented, a little more reflective. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a smaller little shadow brush and I'm gonna take You Peel Me again, just because my inner corner is not quite, that's better, not quite as dark as I'm wanting it. Okay, so I'm gonna hop off of here, do my face makeup and my eyebrows, and also while I'm gone, I'm going to be tight lining with the Jordanna 12 Hour Made to Last Liquid Eyeliner Pencil in Espresso Lash. This is obviously just a brown eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to smudge it out a little bit on my top lash line and then tight line with it. And then for mascaras today, I'm gonna layer the Essence False Lashes and Maybelline Lash Sensational, and then we will come back to do my lower lash line and lips. See you in a minute. All right, so we are back. I put on my mascara, just not on my bottom lash line yet. I'm gonna take Creamsicle and pretty much focus this on the inner half of my lash line. And then I'm gonna take You Peel Me, a mix of You Peel Me and Rise and Grind on the outer half. And I'm kind of smudging my liner out as well at the same time. Perfect. So now, let me try. Yeah. So now to do an inner corner and brow bone highlight, there's not really a good shade in here. What is this called? Zested is the lightest shade, and it still shows up very orange on me, so pale kid problems. I'm gonna take Colourpop Flexitarian, and we're gonna highlight the inner corner. And our brow bone quickly. So for the lip, I know everyone is super sick of this, but I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Mannequin, and then over the top of it, I'm going to use the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Almost Natural, and I'm gonna apply those and my bottom mascara, and then we will be back to finish up. Okay guys, we are finished. Do not judge the hair, okay? don't judge it. She's wild today, but it is okay. I'm gonna slide my rings back on and tell you guys bye. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I am so happy I got to sit down and film it and talk to you guys a little bit today. The Colourpop Orangey Glad, I'm not gonna lie, out of the 3 monochromatic palettes I ordered from Colourpop, this was the one I was least excited for, but when you think fall, you think orange. So I'm here for it now. I'm liking it. I really like how this look came out. I do want to play around with Clementine, which is the light. Let me cover the mirror, hold on. Is the super chunky glitter, but I used the super chunky glitter out of Honey palette, and like I'm still getting glitter off of my persons. So I wanted to skip that for today, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one.